Welcome to How Make a Video tutorial. First, depending on your reasons for making the video, it's made important invest in a high quality camera. After the high quality camera is picked and paid, the topic needs to be chosen to make your script. After that, the title of the video needs to be picked. Then the templates for the video must be drawn. Next, the camera needs to be turned on. After that, the camera should be kept rolling when the script is set. After that, the video needs to be edited. The video must be cut and pasted again to make your video have coherence. Finally, the video is uploaded in a social media.